In this video, we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, Samsung's Wear OS smartwatch, which was released in August of 2023. The version I have here is the smaller 40mm watch in graphite. The Galaxy Watch 6 40mm size is also available in gold. The larger 44mm watch is available in graphite or silver. Let's go ahead and unbox this watch. Now, we should be able to open this box, and there we go. Here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's check what else is included in the box. Here is what looks like the charging cable, and here is the instruction manual booklet. Let's look at the charging cable here. A sleek black cable with a magnetic charger to connect to the watch. And it's nice to see it is USB Type-C. Now let's remove the smartwatch from the box. And as you can see, this watch is the graphite finish, a glossy watch face due to the screen, and a dark gray colored band. Let's go ahead and compare it to what I am wearing currently, a Google Pixel watch. And yeah, with these two smartwatches side by side, you can see the Galaxy Watch has a larger screen and body than the Pixel Watch. The Galaxy Watch's screen is also flat compared to the rounded, almost dome-like screen on the Pixel Watch. Looking around the Galaxy Watch, on the back you can see the various sensors, including the watch's heart rate sensor. Moving to the side here, you can see there are two buttons on the Galaxy Watch. You can also see from this angle how the screen of this watch is completely flat with no curved edges or anything. Alright, let's go ahead and try to turn on the watch. I'll press and hold the top right button. And there's the Samsung logo. Okay, I've now gotten to the start screen, and here we can get an idea of the size of the screen. And you can kind of see from the animation and text that the screen gets really close to the edges. There isn't much of a bezel. From here, we are prompted to start the setup process using the Galaxy Wear app. I'll stop here for this unboxing video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Up next, I'll be going through this setup process, as well as other in-depth videos on the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Thanks for watching. Until next time.